Hello everyone, this is Rajiv here, teacher of Social Studies at HR Imperial Public School, Chhapra. Dear students, it's the need of time that I started my online classes from today. Actually, I decided to take online classes on the suggestion of our Honorable Principal Sir. Dear students, as a teacher of social studies, I start my topic from political science, one of the best subject from political science, from SST, that is the political science, chapter first of the political science, that is the power sharing. Before starting the chapter, I would like to say few words that power sharing. What is power sharing? What basically the terms power sharing means? Power sharing means when power is transferred, when power is transferred, when power is distributed among the organs of the government, like that legislature, executive and judiciary. It means that, as you know, being a democratic country, India is a democratic country. Being a democratic country, India fulfills all the concepts and all the criteria that equality, freedom, etc. Dear students, in this chapter we see that power sharing shows the basic concept of the democracy, fundamental concept of the democracy. It shows the root meaning of democracy. But how? Because here we talk about power sharing, where power is transferred from one hand to another hand, one level of government to another level of government. So it is the spirit of democracy. It is the spirit of democracy where power is transferred, and it is based on the idea of decentralization of power, where power is transferred from upper level to lower level, like that from central level to a state level, and a state level to local level government. This idea based on democratic principles. But how? Because a centralized power, and in another type of government where power is not transferred, you can say that, and you can see the dictatorial type of government. in the comment of tyranny, where power is vested in single body, where power is vested in one hands, where power is not transferred, where power is concentrated in one hands, that so that is not we called them best and in favor of democracy.